Please help me share this live video. Tag Enogie on this video. Because Enogie, you are doing too much. You are biting more than you can chew. I'm telling you. You are biting more than you can chew. Enogie is priceless. I'm tagging you on this video. And this video is because of you. And somebody please help me tag Enogie to this video. That I decided to keep you quiet does not mean I don't know what to do. That I decided to keep quiet does not mean I don't know what to do. Now let me tell you. The other time you came out, it was during my film that I produced with my money, my hard-earned money. I don't come borrow money for your hand. You don't support me. You did not support me in that film. You don't support me. I produced my film myself. You came out, you were talking trash about the movie. I kept you quiet. Because I know, say, you not rich. I know, say, your mouth not reach to bring me down. It's not possible now. You dey whine. Oh, you're supposed to know me more than this now. You're supposed to know me already by now. Say, nobody mouth, they kill my own. I just choose to let peace reign. I choose to keep quiet. I choose to ignore people because I feel say who gets work when they do get sense. No, they come online, they talk nonsense. Okay, now, the other time, you come out on live video, they say, Ebony, you feature people. You don't feature Benin people. You know, Oga, if you want me to feature Benin people, give me money, I say shoot film. If you want, make I feature Benin people. Not be for you to just come online, when they open your mouth wide, the way it's wide. If you want, make I feature Benin people for film. Oga, send me money to do it. It's not too big. If you give me 7 million and I go do better film like Indebted, I go do them. You can't tell me what to do with my life. Enogie, I'm not your sister. I'm not your wife. I'm not blood related to you. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. What is wrong with you? Wait. Person sell me give you. Person sell me give you Enogie. Where? Why are you always following me? They say you can't give me. Look at the other day. I wrote that I need support. I wrote that I'm feeding over 40 people. Only hotel for this my project that I'm shooting now. Only hotel. They know they give me bill of 1.8 million plus. Only hotel to put people. Only hotel to put people. 1.8 million plus. Are you even all right? Why can't you let me be? As I write, say I need help that day. If you be picking where it gets sense, if you be picking when no way they do, say you believe beneath blood, you be beneath boy. You'll tell me, say, Ebony, send I can't make I support you. No. That one no concern you. Why not ask for help from people? Why won't I? You think it's easy? You think it's easy doing this? Why I tell they shoot since September? How many of the films you just see online say I don't upload? I'm working and keeping them. I'm stocking money. My money is tied down. Millions is tied down. You know they look that one. What is wrong with telling my fans to support me? What is wrong with telling my fans to help me? I be Dangote. Wherever they take, they know they put back. You know they finish. You know they think that one. If you be human being when it gets sense Enogie. If you be human being when Bill say worm they chop for a belly. As I write that thing. And this matter now you make me ide. Annie. You can't finish the live video, man. Now you drag me come this Benin one day so. Now you make me come Benin one day so Enogie. Now so you come and say, you don't carry people, Benin people along, go. Meanwhile, the indebted that I did, a lot of Benin people were there. Benin people were there. I featured them. What else do you want me to do? Kill myself for you or kill myself for Benin people? What is wrong with you? I love my people so much. I love Benin. I want to see Benin people grow, progress in the industry. I just brought... See, this hotel money when I walk up pay, so Enogie, I tell you, in case you don't know. This hotel money when I won't spend for notice, so I'm not supposed to spend them. If I was in Asaba, I know they pay hotel for my crew members. If I was in Asaba, Mommy Ngozi Ezionugo, they go a house. Ulukie Enogie. Ulukie. I've heard Grace Obi. What is wrong with you? We're not think of the good things what they do for Benin people. We're not think them. Stressing myself. This job I'm doing in Benin now, I'm supposed to do it in the East. Shoot my feet, mental house. Yeah, kiss. Okay, I don't feel kiss of him again. Hey, don't give me your when I. What did they call this your own? They say you can't give me. Enogie. If they are Mona share this message, go reach Enogie. Enogie, if they send me can't give you. Tell who pay you say I not their house. Tell who say you can't say I not their house. Enogie. You don't see me for us. Tell them. Say I not their house. What's your problem? What is wrong with you? Argue where give me. Argue where give me. What's your when I need money. Enogie. I need support. I need help. It's not easy to count 8 million and attend to projects when you never know whether it will come out well or not. They call me. I know say that my friends or my godmother don't they call me say, man, I don't do this video. I go do this video. Nobody of you tell me say I don't do this video at all. I go do them. I will respond. Nobody should tell me not to respond. Don't tell me that. Nobody should tell me not to respond. Because when they are doing what they are doing, people don't tell them to stop. Nobody should advise me. I don't need that advice, I beg. I will respond. I will talk. You know, they come online. You won't fly. Utia. I beg, leave me alone, no Enogie. Leave me alone. Leave me the heck alone. I just go beg you. Leave me alone. Send money no let you send. You go my good send. What a lover. As I say I need help, I need money. So now person like you supposed to tell me say how much you need. And don't first daughter, how much you need. What do you want? More help you. I'm here boy. Cause they tell me how to spend my money. Money I want use my money to do. Nah, no be that one again. No, you carry my picture, come and say I go the kiss for him. You be my boyfriend. Are you my man? Am I dating you? What if I kiss in a movie? What's your fucking business? What's your business if I kiss in a movie? Or can't wear your busybody? If I when you maybe I don't have a kiss. Enogie. Or can make can wear. Or can make can wear. Leave me the hell alone. Leave me alone. Enogie, leave me alone. Enogie, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Enogie, oh boy, leave me. They put my life they go every second, every minute. Who get where for me. I beg, oh, I use my power with that. I beg, Enogie, leave me alone. Enogie, leave me the heck alone. For you to think of how you wanted to use your platform to raise money for me. Say, this is our minister, they try, oh, my people were there abroad. But diaspora fans, when I call her Ebony, oh, she they really try. Imagine she only do 50, she want you to do another one for Benin again. Mona raise money for Ebony, how much you need? Who told me? I need fucking 8 million naira now for this project to be successful. At least if you feel use your platform, say okay, even that 2 million you feel raise. Tell me say, Ebony, I don't break record. More give you this money. Your platform, you know, you use and do something where good for person for me in person. So they disturb me now you want. Now you they do. I go the kiss for film. I kiss. And the next one do I go, in fact, I go romance, smooch for film. Cry. You be my in-law. You be my brother-in-law. I be you be my man. She can't rubbish with that one. Oh, see me see this Enogie. Enogie, when? I don't even understand you, self. I don't understand you, the kind of life when you live. You don't see come that they tell me say, Ebony, more make peace, so we are not friends, so more be friends. I don't go saga you again. You were there. I need money. I need support. I need help. That's what you should be concerned about. Even if you talk online, who say 100 or 50 or 200 or 500 or 1 million, even 20,000, if you got that around, if that's something. Hey, disturb me any else you bourgeois, oh. Not disturb me again, I'm not sugar for your eye or Enogie. But if I deep pass for your eye, I go pass your back comments. What kind of rubbish is that? Telling me say I go the kiss for him. Is it your business? Is it your consign? Am I your in-law? Are you my in-law? Am I dating your brother? Am I dating you? What kind of talk is this? I wrote on my platform. Guys, I need help. Oh, I'll be feeding over 40 people on my set. I'll be paying hotel bills. I'll be doing a lot of things in Benin. All you should do is, how do we help this girl? How do we help this hardworking woman? Come out online on your platform. Reach out to your fans. Moku support Ebony. Moku raise funds for Ebony. Ebony, they shoot film. She need our assistance. And mommy Ebony will bow. And then you get a kiss of him. You get a kiss of him. I kiss, yes. I'm as a Clitty, I beg. I'm not even in that mood. I'm a case of Clitty. I beg. Mona no they stress me again. I beg. I used to go beg. Enogie, leave me alone. Enogie, leave me alone. Enogie, if you really love me the way you are claiming, use your platform to raise people to bless me. To support me. Don't they tell me what to do in a movie. Your level never reach like that. To tell me what to do when you know be my man. Are you alright? Does that make one sense to you? Be careful with me. Be extremely careful with me. Be very, very careful with me. Man, I no chukan for you. I may not pass your back. Come out. What is wrong with you? Are you alright? Are you okay? Rubbish. Be careful. Be careful. Be very careful. I don't want to get mad at you. I don't want to come back here and talk about you again. And mind you, I know they fear your saga. I know they fear saga. Now me, they choose to keep some people quiet. I'll just make you look like a fool. The reason I don't answer some people, I want to make them look like a fool in the eyes of their followers. I will not answer you. If you like, can't do anything online, I no go answer you. But you see, you Enogie, I will always come out for you. If you do one, I will do one. If you do two, I go do two. All right? Moreover, that film where you see say I for kiss so is for Child of Grace Nolly TV. All right? Not my film. It's for my mom and I'm a producer for her. Okay? I know the fear saga. Oh. I know the fear saga. But if I want to make you look like a goat, if you saga me, I don't answer you. I'll make you look like a fool. Easy, benu fool boy. You answer we. Like one nonsense girl come out that day. Ebony, you not use the Nigeria Ebony people. Ebony, I don't see body and hear everywhere. You bag the video. One more go down bonaki. And I'm not frustrating in Europe. Zaga, you working? They mad. I be your mates. You were making. You know they see doing. Am I your mate? Taking that image you want to go level. But I don't think I'll bring myself low to the level of going to answer that one when life don't tire. No who are never they spending and watch it. Don't want money. He don't answer away. He answer away now. But look at Gualome now. I don't answer you. I'll make you look useless. Where I abuse said that we have the motor where we beg one. Need the buster out where your left side buster. No good bear cooking and your work boy. You mad. Ebony, the other day that one room, one small room where they day for abroad. They here no go hear what again. One room in one move away, but whatever and a girl. Ebony, Umalu Vieto, if you had the where was Zebo? Ah, what were those Zebo? Where it is a word a boy, but a beating was any, a problem was any. A boy, no man banning here the muye, a female, bell. Rubbish human being. Ebony, when I find it, he bargain. I want to know I'm going to do answer. I got a message to any dog Benny when all any young man when it boy. When all who and a bitch, the bleach you a bay one, and no my even know you were webo. When I tell you why in 10 years, it will go with salon. Meanwhile, if I want just go abroad to dinner to just buy tickets, come out, you be mad, I be your mates. Most of them stop that nonsense now. If you see me say I don't answer some people, don't be say I don't want to answer. Don't be say I don't get what to tell them, but no need. They don't feel use me trend. But person like Enogie, I will always come out to answer Enogie. It's my word against yours, baby boy. Bring it on. I dare you, Enogie. I dare you. I dare you to use that same your platform. When you say they use your mouth, they rubbish people. May you take raise fund. May you say surprise me. Say, Ebony, my platform now for raise this money. Take. I dare you. I dare you, Enogie. Agwabunuaka. More than share this video, may reach Enogie hand. The food already. The under the rice born, Abi. I bet serve me, may hot too. My people, I bet they like burnt rice. That otot sorry, that de kia. I de kia di otot sorry. I de like all that rice well. On that rice, I de chop and where. So guys, so I beg I'm releasing. I don't forget no game matter. I know get no reason for me to waste my time. Happy Sunday, my people. I'm starting a job next week. It's starting on Thursday, guys. I need your support. So you want to bring water to the location, you want to bring food, you want to bring snack, you want to bring fruits. Well, I'm having a lot of people on that set. I beg. Anything you want to do for me, do more than not listen to people. More than not listen to that yeah boy when they talk nonsense. I need una assistance, so because this one choke. The whole of Benin go finish for this film. It choke. I beg. If God lay in your heart to support me, to support my project, do not hesitate. Just DM me. Just DM me. Just DM me, please, as support. The starting on Thursday. So anything you want to support with, please just let me know. I'm going to drop my phone number here. If you want to support this project, if you want to support this huge project and bring it to Benin, please just write me. I will answer you. One and all my people, we they need all this help. I want to be bringing films to Benin. Let's raise the Benin culture, the Benin tradition. Let's raise the Benin. Let's take the Benin forward. When I don't mind all those talkative when they talk anyhow. Now see person when they work so hard, when they try, when they do well, for una to support her, una go want bring her down. And it doesn't make sense. And they see how that tribe say they support their people. When they reach our own, not to bring person down now, no, to insult person online. Meanwhile, these people go sit there for granted. Why go and Enogie, you see me for granted, you talk to me. Fear will let you try. Where me able to there? Go and ask question. Who will again are you papa beaking? Where me able to where me go? You know try now. I'll say me people beat you. I have a PA more here and go. I worry. You don't take my hand now. My eyes are on you. I got my eyes on you. Hello, my people. How na day? I be wanna share this video. May reach Enogie. May see am say I don't answer am. Come out here, come a flag. Ebony, one of your kiss. Ebony, one of your kiss. My brother, here is a kiss. Here is a kiss. Who be here? Tell me say why the kiss. Concern me, concern you. What can make away? My people, I beg, make I drop my phone number here. If you want to support me, if you want to support my brand, if you want to support this my project, wherever you are all over the world, please support me. Let me pin my number here. Wanna know my people? I'm doing so well by the grace of God. Your support is a plus to me.